Caravan Salon 2019. This is called Domo Van Manufacturer. This is a very original look on the Mercedes Sprinter. Let's go and have a look inside it. So this is the short Mercedes. It's 593 centimeters in length. This one here is going to cost 125,500 euros, and there's all the bits you get with it. So starting price 83,190. Right, so to begin with, what we've got is a bed in the roof. It's electric, and it's very stable. So large table to work with, and right, so I'll come up first thing here on the left. Oops, what's that? Sorry, done it wrong. You've got your bin, and I keep talking about bins because I've noticed that the bins seem to be one of the issues for 2020. People want to put bins in vans, and but some people seem to be exaggerating on it. Okay, so it's a smallish van, and I'm going to show you first of all how the toilet works, because this is quite clever. But for that I'm going to need some assistance, so here we go. Okay, let's have a look at some of the other features. We've got a television that comes out here. Television's in there, and you can watch that by sitting down in the driver's seats. Bit of storage there. Now it's very difficult, of course, with the Mercedes. Everybody wants a Mercedes Sprinter, but because of the shape of it, makes it difficult. And having tried to work on a Mercedes Sprinter, I have had some experience on this one. Here. Now, okay, coming into the kitchen. Okay, this is relatively standard, there's nothing particularly unusual about that. And you've got your electrics up here. You've also got where the bed comes down there. Okay, so fridge there. You've seen the fridge before, I won't open it. And you've got some drawers and some more storage down there. Now I've got this bit at the back here, which actually I think this is pretty convenient. You're making the most of the double doors, storage compartments on either side. So I think that's this very, very useful. And you've got this bench thing as well here, should you want to sort of sit or even lie on it. But bear in mind, at this height it's only about 165 centimeters in length. show you another one. Although the other one's not quite as advanced, I'd have to say, as this one. Let's go across there now. Oh, Chilean. Okay, so you see from here, 3 places and 3 sleeping places as well. So I thought of this one, but everybody seems to think it's such an obvious idea. Just 3 places aren't necessary, but this one's got 3 sleeping places as well. You've got the fridge down here. This is an electric fridge, and above that you've got your cutlery drawer. Here, I'll show you the cutlery drawer. There you are. Now, everything we've got from this company, they say, is handmade. They're not buying off the shelf. Right, so we've got a single bed at the back here, and the double bed is also electric light, as in the first van. Yeah, storage up there. We'll have a look at the bathroom. So we've got a nice big sunroof up there, and in here I'm getting this. So right, this bathroom's slightly less innovative than the other one, more standard, shall we say, but still, you know, it's in a Mercedes Sprinter, which is very difficult to build. I'm going to show you how big it is, in fact. So there's me in there, same much height there is, and same much room there's on either side. Now, under the bed here, there's approximately 172 of standing height. So slightly crouched as I come in here. But this is a company which builds to order, and so if you wanted a higher one, then they could do it for you. I mean, you can get a higher roof. It's possible. So I'll have a walk down. I think that's quite useful, actually storing the table in that position. You see, it's a big table as well. I like a big table. For me, it's one of these things which is absolutely essential. Oh, it's part of the Alcar group, and that make televisions and all sorts of other equipment as well. See, there's one of the televisions on the wall. Got a boot down there as well, so that's under the bed. Didn't give you the price of this one, 132,000. So if you find that of interest, do subscribe. Domo 590 Life, and this one's the Domo 590, so you can't see that, HB. Height 285 and the width is 202, but you probably knew that anyway. So I said it was on a Mercedes Sprinter base.